everyone, this is Rose and I welcome you to my random channel. This is going to be an unboxing video of Tati Westbrook's Halo Beauty, the new vitamins that she's offering through her brand, Halo Beauty. Before I get into it though, I kind of want to explain where I'm coming from with purchasing this and actually giving this a try. I'm going to be real. I have taken many types of vitamins in my life. I have taken diet pills. Back in my party days, I've experimented with certain things. And I've been on prescription medication. I'll admit that I've taken medication that's not been prescribed to me before. Have I ever, been overly interested in, doing research on things before trying them? I'll be honest, I never have. I feel like if I'm curious about anything, I would ask my doctor. I don't know if I'm a minority, but I never go on WebMD and just randomly looking stuff up just because I feel like you can't really rely on that information always. And so, until recently, the only company or type of pill I've ever been interested in researching was the sugar bear vitamins, simply because I saw so many celebrity endorsements, celebrities that seem to already have beautiful hair, nails, and skin, and majority of them wear extensions, so it's hard to even tell what's real. And that's where I saw the vitamins seemed to work, and I saw the recent study that was done on them that proved that it had extreme amounts of biotin in it, so much where it could be damaging. But when I saw this product, I applauded Tati for being different and not releasing a makeup palette. To me, it kind of fits her. And I hated seeing all the negative attention from people that the product initially got. But at the same time, it's not just because I'm a supporter of her and, I take her opinion seriously. But I don't know, I just highly doubted that every person that was coming at her researches every single thing that they put inside their bodies. I'm just being real with you guys. And so when I saw it, and I was happy to see that it wasn't on a monthly subscription, that you just buy a bottle whenever you need it, I decided just to buy a bottle. But she does make some pretty hardcore claims with this, that you can see results after 2 to 3 weeks. And of course, a month's worth is basically 4 weeks. So I decided to take advantage, show my support for her, and give this a try. I've taken biotin before, and I can go ahead and tell you, I've never really seen anything miraculous with it. My hair has thinned out over the last 5 years, but this is probably the longest that it's been in a while. But I feel like with the claims that she makes with this product, the true test for me is going to be my nails and my skin, because my nails are really weak. One of the most popular videos on my channel is me talking about a nail protein product that I'm currently not using. And so my nails, they break really easily. And when I've taken biotin in the past, they grew, but they weren't exactly strong. And then one thing that she's brought up herself is how in the clinical testing, they've tested on women in their early 20s and how to improve the moisture levels in their skin. My face is extremely oily, but my scalp and everything from the neck down is extremely dry. So that's going to be the ultimate test for this product, to see. It improves the dryness of my skin. And so before I get into the actual unboxing part, if you've happened to land on this video not knowing anything about what the claims of this product is, I'm just going to quickly go through them, and I'm getting them directly just off of her site, which I'll link down below as well. Apparently, these vitamins are intensely nourishing. Anti-gray fighting enzymes, which I actually do. I feel like I shouldn't complain because it's not like my roots are entirely gray, but I do have random strands throughout my hair that are gray. So That would be pretty cool. 5 anti-gray fighting ingredients and enzymes to protect against follicles and help prevent the onset of premature graying of the hair. Natural moisture barrier, clinically proven to firm, hydrate, rejuvenate, and moisturize skin and reduce fine lines. It's an interesting, hardcore claim right there. Stimulates hair growth. 15 powerful ingredients proven to promote stronger, healthier, more luxurious hair. Now, like I said, my hair is at the longest it's been in years. When it's completely straight, the longest points in the back actually hit my bra strap. But my hair has thinned out, so... And I feel like 4 weeks is too short of a time frame to really see anything. So, of course, it's very smart marketing to kind of give you more incentive to try multiple bottles. But that's only going to happen for me if I actually notice anything miraculous. Well, I shouldn't say miraculous, but if I just notice anything after this first month. Powerful antioxidants, pure source of antioxidants, destroys free radicals, protecting collagen and elastin. No preservatives, no parabens, gluten-free, soy-free, sugar-free, cruelty-free, and vegan. And of course, the whole hoopla about her patent ingredient, the Ceramide RX, has been proven in human clinical double-blind trials to restore and rebuild the outer skin layer, increasing the skin's ability to retain moisture while improving skin smoothness in as little as 3 weeks. We shall see. 90% reported the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles reduced. 95% reported their skin appears more youthful. 85% reported thicker and stronger hair. We shall see. Of course, these vitamins have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration, but when you think about it, most vitamins out there haven't that are sold everywhere. Of course, they recommend if you're pregnant or have a medical condition, consult with your physician before use. Me, myself, I'm not on any birth control. I only am prescribed a migraine medicine, and that's really it. And besides physical, like actual bone conditions that I have, I don't really have anything else that I could think of that would cause me to want to ask my doctor about these vitamins. I ordered these on, I believe it was October 6th. Because that's when I saw her video initially. I'm going to look up the exact date. And of course, these retail for $39.99 plus the tax and shipping, or $47.90. Shipping was $7.95. And the vitamins, a 30-day supply, which is 60 pills because you take 2 per day, was $39.95. But I ordered this on the 6th. The shipping, of course, it's coming from California. It said it would take 4 to 10 business days. I didn't get these until the 17th, so it took basically 11 days. The 6th was, I'm trying to think what day of the week it was. Anyway, it took 11 days for me to get it. But this is the box that it came in. And then when you undo the sticker, this is what the inside of the package looks like, which I will admit, I was a little underwhelmed with the packaging. I mean, I'm glad to see that Tati has decided not to be wasteful and include like extra pamphlets or anything like that. But I don't know, I guess I was just expecting, you know, something more. But the box basically says, welcome to the best hair, skin, and nails of your life. Halo Beauty, XO, Tati. Intensely nourishing. What the bottle looks like. My lighting is just a little awkward. But yeah, brightly pink pills. And the back has all the nutritional facts on the back. Today is March 22nd. I'm gonna start taking these today. It doesn't say you have to take them with food, which is pretty interesting, but it just says take 2 capsules daily. Results may improve at regular use. Store in a cool, dry place. I guess I could take, actually, oh yeah, in the top of the The jar has her signature. They are properly sealed. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this because I'm gonna take my first 2 today. And so if you're curious to know, because I will film a part 2 to this, as soon as I finish this, I will give my final review of what's happened after a month of taking these vitamins. And I will be completely raw and honest if something miraculous happens or if nothing happens. So, and these are the vitamins right there. And so if you're curious to know what happens in a month, definitely subscribe. If you have any comments or questions, if you've already taken them, if you're interested, or if you just have something to say about the situation, then please don't hesitate to leave them down in a comment below. And again, this is it. Again, this is Rose, and thank you so much for watching this crap. If you found this video at all helpful or entertaining, then please don't hesitate to give me a thumbs up and subscribe and become part of my random family. And until next time, I hope you all have a great day, and you will see me again hopefully very soon. Definitely in 30 days.